Good morning, it's Thursday, January 25th, and I will be continuing on a custom project. So this knife is for Logan. He's a return customer of ours. So this one is in MagnaCut. He likes these basically like little spear point kitchen knives. So this will be one of the first knives in MagnaCut I try to get like superiorly shiny. So literally, before heat treat, I got all the flats up to 120. So just continuing with that yesterday and just working on this, got the edge down to a nice thinness and now just polishing. So the rest of this will just be polishing. It'll take me a bit today. I did get a good bit of work on yesterday just on the 120s. I didn't want to go down to 80 and just to risk some deeper scratches that are gonna take longer to get out because MagnaCut does not like being ground on. So all day today I will be working on this one, and I'll be sending him some photos too because he just likes photo updates. So this guy all day, and hopefully by the end of the day I can have it to where tomorrow I start on the handle process. We'll see how that goes. Really, that's my day. Here's Daniel with what he's got going on.
What's up, y'all? Just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, I have got my batch down to a smaller little batch so that way I can get handles on. This one being the main focus as a custom for a customer. So that will be kind of my focus. I've got polish all kind of done. Do some taping up and cleaning up, and then basically some handle application. Hopefully glue up today if everything permits. Don't have any inventory yet, so I don't know what else is coming. We're just gonna try and get other stuff out there to you, video and content wise, and then just bust butt here into this shop. So other than that, we're gonna go ahead and go into our favorite place again with our favorite guy again, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we are talking about Case's two-bladed trapper. So we've got a few of them brand new in stock. And what the two-bladed trapper is, here I'll just grab one of them, is you've got one blade. This is basically your everyday blade. Nice little, they used to be more clipper points, they're now more trailing points. And then you have a spay blade. So literally little reverse tanto there, but a nice big belly. What that gets you is they used to castrate animals with the spay blade because it was harder, the point isn't as pointy. So if you happen to nick something while you're down there, you're not really doing a whole lot of damage as opposed to a nice pointy one of those blades. Different models we have in. We have some really cool ones. So they're synthetic red. So all of these will be stainless steel except the Damascus one. And then it's really the handles that will be different. So this is a Damascus with this beautiful bone that was dyed golden, and they did a double jig saw cut to it. One of my favorites, the abalone. These are just so elegant. So beautiful and just sparkling. We've had, I think, that one here in the past. And then another bone that they really made this one look like antler. A couple Kieranite ones, so a green Kieranite and the patriotic Kieranite. And then just a nice gray. They made this one look a lot like the camel bone you've seen from our stuff. Just a nice gray, green jade bone. And then that synthetic red. And they call this the mulberry. In Texas, we'd call that maroon, but you know, hey, to each their own, right? So yeah, great in-pocket carry knives. They even started doing, like on this one, you can see that PVD coating. Just a great looking knife, super useful. And having the extra blade all means you always have a sharp blade.
Right on. All right, guys, we'll wrap it up here. Like always, see you on the next one. Peace.